Hey y'all, my name's Justin with ESAB. I work in the field applications department. Today we're going to go over the specs and benefits of the new Ruffian 270G engine-driven welder by ESAB. The Ruffian 270G holds your standard 3-year warranty. It's powered by a 23.5 horse Kohler motor. It has 11.5 peak kW, 10.5 continuous kW. It has a 7-inch TFT screen, and it is a true multi-process machine. It has a direct port for your spool gun. It hooks right up to our suitcase AVS feeder with a Tweco gun. This machine will be supported with foot pedals, finger pendants, covers, trailers, everything that you need for your engine drive. If you need anything else, check the video out right here. Thanks, guys.